Coming to Ghana actually wasn't on my agenda because for some reason everyone in Nigeria puts Nigeria here and Ghana just here. Yes. They've been lying to me. Very impressed with your beautiful country, amazing culture, hospitality, the airport, the organization, and I can't wait to go back and tell everyone across the world how beautiful this place is.
I said the land, that's all. People friendly, na man dear. Anthony Joshua said, my year fair. Hey, was about we power, yeah, rade. I said, Ghana for ma. I said, Nigeria for send no more noise.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM members. Baby, I will be a min check a cinema. But don't subscribe, subscribe it. Me too, man. I want to be Anthony Joshua, 2-time heavyweight boxing champion, the legend. I Obagana. Wabaye, your friend said John Mahama, Eba, organizing boxing change. Anthony Joshua, baby. No, baby, no, and na Sebe, or cruzy, walk town. No, no, question, His Excellency. No, no, send Nigeria for Omi Control.
A few words, so he talks more with his face.
With my face. My name is Anthony Joshua, Anthony Oluwafemi Olasheni Joshua, British born, African heritage from Nigeria, just across the road. I've been spending a lot of time in Nigeria as of recent, knowing that it's important to know where you're going, but just as important to know where you've come from. And coming to Ghana actually wasn't on my agenda because for some reason everyone in Nigeria puts Nigeria here and Ghana just here. Yes. So I'm now here and I'm looking around and I'm like, they've been lying to me. I'm very impressed. Very impressed with your beautiful country, amazing culture, hospitality, the airport, the organization, and I can't wait to go back and tell everyone across the world how beautiful this place is. And sports is obviously a way that it got me in a room like this. So I understand the importance of, talking with my fist, but also how influential sports can be and the type of rooms you can get in. So I've been calling friends, speaking about ways that we can bring investment into Ghana, we can bring investment into Africa, because I understand some of your policies and what you're trying to do. And from a sportsman, I understand sports is short-lived, and then we cross over into business. So I'm also branching out into that sector, and I understand that there's certain things that we can bring from sports and our connections across the world, and how we can connect Africa to the rest of the world through sports. So Sharaf, amazing man. Thank you for bringing me here. It's much appreciated. And long may Legacy Rise continue.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm Pacho. Wow, we need Anthony Joshua in Nigeria. I was born Nigeria. Dino cry. Woman. Oh, we are not such a you can't because of Ghana. No, I didn't mean son who ye. I said the land. That's all. People friendly, na man dear. Anthony Joshua said, my year fair. Hey, was about we power, yeah, rade. I said, Ghana for ma. I said, Nigeria for send no more noise. Because Ghana for ma, more fair. I me wa hobi now ni ho. Me chechi mu ni o kan. When the chess Ghana ye wade oyi. Hey, me say open the star of Africa Ghana. Baby ni hobi. Na Anthony Joshua wabaye wo cruising no pap no clap o se Ghana ye de papa na wo be gina ka chem se Ghana ye de na wo kasa uni sika na ma Ghana ye do hwe Friday to Sunday moswo Ghana o girlfriend na de ne tena friends front seat no twa sabe no na to seat no so a awurade no agye ne hot bi sameka no uchimu nya ayo de obi anu na ya friend say His Excellency na o che ne ba no the way I know to say also in an sports and also you go team.
Sharaf has been interested in sports since he was a kid. And growing up at 5 years, 6 years, he knew every footballer. He knew how they played, who they played. He could comment on them. Not only the footballers, he knew their wives and their girlfriends. He knew the referees, everybody. And it's he and his brothers who made me start taking an interest in football. I mean, I've never really been a fan, when it comes to soccer, but he supported Liverpool. His other brother supports Man United. And then Shahid supports Real Madrid. And I found my children, anytime their team lost a match, they lost appetite, they won't eat, they are moody. So I started supporting all their teams and praying that they'll win their matches so that it will lift the mood of the children. And so, of course, when he decided that he wanted to go into football, I decided to let him follow his talents. So he played football for a while and then decided that, no, he wants to shift into sports management. And so he started with football, but he took an interest in boxing. And so now both are his passion, boxing and football. But it looks like the boxing world is taking control. But it's a good thing because we believe that Ghana has a talent and we can raise some world champions.
His Excellency was saying about no Sonyana or a sports person. Up a ball, up a boxing. One of the things I met a guy who said, oh, you're very visible. Or you're very Sabe, or Yanyama Buagana, because who said boxing, those times, your first Azuma ever boxing na challenge easy. But namely, boxing bringing Anthony Joshua to Ghana and other stars no Epeja Ghana. Now the bano me I mean cast a political gimmick and I say BB. He has talent. Let's push him. After all, he's a Ghanaian. So we're a president background, we're a Ghanaian. So let's push him up. Me nyam confirm me abeka so we're president Benti or BB kwa maye money ye. Ese money ye bi. I expose GHFM Bamboo subscribe share. Many 2 man now nsaka be manuasi.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.